Continuous, Part 1. Eu vou fazer esse aqui em Part 1 e Part 2, porque essa primeira parte a gente vai ver a estrutura dele simples. Na segunda parte, a gente vai ver a estrutura dele usando while and when, ok? Então, vamos para a primeira aula. O Past Continuous, ele é formado usando o verbo auxiliar do verb to be no passado. Para quem não lembra, o verb to be no passado se conjuga da seguinte forma. I was. Lembra que lá no Simple Present a gente tem três formas para conjugar o verbo to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, you are. Ou seja, as três formas é am, is e are. Já no Simple Past a gente tem só duas formas. Então vai ser was e were. Então a gente vai usar was para I, he, she, it. Então vai ficar I, he, she, it, was. E o resto, were. I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, they were. E lembrando que, se o verbo to be significa ser ou estar, I was, was, you were, era ou estava. Exemplo, como é que a gente forma ele? No affirmative form, a gente vai usar o sujeito, mais o verbo auxiliar was ou were, e o verbo seguinte com o ing, da mesma forma que a gente forma o present continuous. Present continuous a gente usa o auxiliar verb to be no presente e o verbo no ing da mesma forma. Então, aqui seria o sujeito she, referente a she a gente usa was, o verbo study com o ing e o complemento. Então, ficaria she was studying for her test last night. Ela estava estudando para a prova ontem à noite. 2. They were driving to the beach all morning. Eles estavam dirigindo para a praia a manhã inteira ou toda a manhã. Lembrando que aqui, ó, no verb to study termina em y, mas não tem aquela regrinha de tirar y. A gente acrescenta o ing da mesma forma, ok? Em contrapartida, para os verbos, as mesmas regras do present continuous. Verbos terminados em e, a gente tira o e aí acrescenta ing. Então, drive termina com e, fica driving só com ing. Okay? So they were driving to the beach all morning. 3. I was watching a movie at 8 p.m. Eu estava assistindo um filme às 8 da noite. We were playing soccer in the park last Sunday. Nós estávamos jogando futebol no parque no domingo passado. Agora vamos repetir só para treinar a pronúncia? She was studying for her exams last night. She was studying for her exams last night. 2. They were driving to the beach all morning. They were driving to the beach all morning. 3. I was watching a movie at 8 p.m. I was watching a movie at 8 p.m. 4. We were playing soccer in the park last Sunday. We were playing soccer in the park last Sunday. E para formar a negativa, igualzinho, a gente vai usar o sujeito, wasn't ou weren't, mais o verbo com ing. Então, ficaria assim, ó, I was not, ou a forma abreviada, I wasn't. You were not, forma abreviada, you weren't. He, she, it was not, ou forma abreviada, he, she, it wasn't. We were not, forma abreviada, we weren't. You were not, forma abreviada, you weren't. They were not, forma abreviada, you weren't. Vamos ver como que fica nas frases. They weren't playing outside during the storm. Eles estavam brincando lá fora durante a tempestade. 2. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. Eu não estava me sentindo bem ontem. 3. She wasn't listening to the lecture. Ela não estava escutando a palestra. 4. He wasn't working when I called. Ele não estava trabalhando quando eu liguei. Repeat. They weren't playing outside during the storm. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. She wasn't listening to the lecture. He wasn't working when I called. E vamos agora para o interrogative form. Como toda a estrutura do inglês, a gente vai fazer o quê? Inverter o auxiliar, no caso o verb to be no passado, com o sujeito. Então vai ficar was I, were you, was he, was she, was it, were we, were you do plural e were they. Então, na pergunta fica da seguinte forma: Was he working on the project all night? Ele estava trabalhando no projeto a noite toda? 2. Were they waiting for us at the station? Eles estavam esperando por nós, pela gente ou por nós na estação? 3. Was she reading a book? Ela estava lendo o livro? 4. Were you planning to attend the meeting? Você estava planejando assistir à reunião ou participar da reunião? Repeat. Repita. 1. Was he working on the project all night? 2. Were they waiting for us at the station? 3. Was she reading a book? 4. Were you planning to attend the meeting? E agora vamos para mais exemplos, aqui só no affirmative form. Então, só repeat. I was reading a book last night. Eu estava assistindo um livro ontem à noite. 2. She was cooking dinner when I arrived. Ela estava cozinhando o jantar quando eu cheguei. 3. They were watching TV all afternoon. Eles estavam assistindo TV a tarde toda. 4. He was playing the guitar at the party. Eles estavam tocando guitarra na festa. 5. We were studying for the exam yesterday. 6. The kids were running around the yard. As crianças estavam correndo no jardim. 7. My parents were talking with their friends. Meus pais estavam conversando com seus amigos. 8. The sun was shining during the picnic. O sol estava brilhando durante o piquenique. 9. I was thinking about you this morning. Eu estava pensando em você essa manhã. 10. She was working from home yesterday. Ela estava trabalhando de casa ontem. Agora só repete depois de mim. I was reading a book last night. She was cooking dinner when I arrived. They were watching TV all afternoon. He was playing the guitar at the party. We were studying for the exam yesterday. The kids were running around the yard. My parents were talking with their friends. The sun was shining during the picnic. I was thinking about you this morning. She was working from home yesterday. 1. I wasn't negative form now. I wasn't asleep when you called. Eu não estava dormindo quando você ligou. 2. She wasn't paying attention to the teacher. Ela não estava prestando atenção na teacher, na professora. 3. They weren't listening to music. Eles não estavam escutando música. 4. He wasn't helping with her chores. Ele não estava ajudando com as tarefas. 5. We weren't expecting any guests last night. Nós não estávamos esperando nenhum convidado a noite passada. 6. You weren't wearing your jacket in the cold. Você não estava usando sua jaqueta no frio. 7. The dog wasn't barking at that time. O cachorro não estava latindo àquela hora. 8. I wasn't studying for the test. Eu não estava estudando para o teste. 9. She wasn't waiting for someone. Ela não estava esperando por alguém. Por ninguém. 10. They weren't working on the project. Eles não estavam trabalhando no projeto. Now let's repeat. Repita. I wasn't sleeping when you called. 2. She wasn't paying attention to the teacher. 3. They weren't listening to music. 4. He wasn't helping with the chores. 5. We weren't expecting any guests last night. 6. You weren't wearing your jacket in the cold. 7. The dog wasn't barking at that time. 8. I wasn't studying for the test. 9. She wasn't waiting for someone. 10. They weren't working on the project. Interrogative form. 1. Were you reading when I called? Você estava lendo quando eu liguei? 2. Was she cooking dinner when you arrived? Ela estava cozinhando o jantar quando você chegou? 3. Were they playing outside in the rain? Eles estavam brincando lá fora na chuva? 4. Was he watching TV all afternoon? Eles estavam assistindo TV a tarde toda? 5. Were we talking too loudly? Nós estávamos falando muito alto? 6. Were the children studying for the test? As crianças estavam estudando para o teste? Para a prova? 7. Was it raining while you were driving? Estava chovendo quando você estava dirigindo? Gente, lembrando que algumas frases eu coloquei when e coloquei while, que é o tema da nossa próxima aula. Na continuação, eu vou explicar melhor quando a gente usa when e quando a gente usa while, ok? Então, estava chovendo enquanto você estava dirigindo? 8. Was she writing a letter at that time? 9. Oh, sorry. Ela estava escrevendo uma carta àquela hora? 9. Were they planning the trip together? Eles estavam planejando uma viagem juntos? 10. Were you expecting anyone to visit? Você estava esperando alguém para visitar? Agora repita. Repeat. 1. Were you reading when I called? 2. Was she cooking dinner when you arrived? 3. Were they playing outside in the rain? 4. Was she watching TV all afternoon? 5. Were we talking too loudly? 6. Were the children studying for the test? 7. Was it raining while you were driving? 8. Was she writing a letter at that time? 9. Were they planning the trip together? 10. Were you expecting anyone to visit? Ok, então essa foi a nossa aula de hoje. Daqui a pouco eu vejo vocês no próximo bloco com a continuação de Past Continuous, right? Bye bye, see you!